Al-Humazah, the Backbiters, is chapter 104 in the Quran. This Meccan chapter addresses those who mock and slander others, especially those who've accumulated wealth and feel like they can get away with it. The chapter begins with وَيْلٌ لِكُلِّ هُمَزَةٍ لُمَزَةٍ. Woe to every backbiter, slanderer. Wail refers to a valley in hellfire and serves as a warning of a severe punishment to those who backbite and slander others. الذي جمع مالا وعدده. Who amasses wealth greedily and counts it repeatedly. يحسب أن ماله أخلده. Thinking that their wealth will make them immortal. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. Not at all. Such a person will certainly be tossed into the crusher. وما أدراك ما الحطمة. And what will make you realize what the crusher is? نار الله الموقدة. It is Allah's kindled fire. A fire that no one can escape or put out. التي تطلع على الأفئدة. Which rages over the hearts. A fire that targets each heart, knowing exactly how much hatred and slander it holds for others, and the amount of punishment it deserves. إنها عليهم مؤصدة. It will be sealed over them, meaning they are trapped with nowhere to go. في عمد ممددة. Tightly secured with long braces, making their punishment continuous and ongoing. The chapter serves as a warning to those who sit on their wealth, feeling untouchable, and who slander and backbite others, that Allah's punishment will indeed be severe, and there's no escaping it. Help us create more videos by visiting our website today and contributing to our mission and project. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more videos and content.